Hi everyone, Carole's Art Room. I am going to do a tile because the last one I did, I love the color so much I wanted a tile in it. So this will just be a quick video. Pouring my pillow paint down. This is Glidden Essentials with some Beautitone mixed in because the Glidden Essentials is pretty thin. So I just, as soon as I get used to it, I'll use it straight. Just put a bit in. Just put a bit in just there, just to help it out a bit. So this is a phthalo glue. This is really thin. Why did I use this so thin? Well, I'm gonna try. Oh, that's too much. Try a thin amount. Because your paints are supposed to be thinner than your pillow, so there, that's better. Running off the edge here. Oh, I did that one already. Oh, well, it's in there twice. Oh, I meant to do that on top. That's done. I'll put some of this on top. I usually don't layer it this many times, but hey, you can always try. Here goes my black cell activator, which needs to be thinner too. Thinner or the same, as long as it's not thicker. I'm losing it off there. I'll try my mini blower. See what happens when you get too close? Oh well. You think you're gonna do it on an angle and then you end up getting too close. That's okay. Look at that. Beauty. I'll let it settle in. I don't even really know if I want to spin it, but I'll let it sit. If it was white cell activator, you wouldn't have all those black lines around there and it would just look like a white blob. So at least with the black, it looks better. Still a little bit sunk in the middle there. I've used this mini blower so many times that the button is stuck. So I have to put it in a power bar and push the button on the power bar. It's well used, that's for sure. I tried getting it out, but maybe one day it'll pop out. The paint's all hardened in there. I guess I should have cleaned it right away when I did it, but I didn't. Too many things, too many other things to clean. I forgot about this. And I really can't put it under water. So it is what it is. All right, let's see. It looks a little concave still. Well, it's taking a while for that to even out. I must have really blown that middle. I think I might just tilt it. It almost doesn't even need tilting. I'll zoom you back out a bit. I'm gonna tilt, I'm not gonna spin it. It doesn't need much. Oh. I don't want to tilt too much of this off. One more. Wow, it's very pretty. I don't think I can get any more this way. Maybe. Just going to bring it back a little bit more, and I think that's good. I think I favor the black cell activator. I think I said this once before, but I guess it's the contrast. Okay, there. I'm gonna leave it. There you go. There's another beautiful tile that I can resin one day. Very cool. Hope you like this one. Come back to Carole's Art Room. There's a recipe in my description under the video for my paints that I use in my pouring medium. Stay tuned for the dried results next. Everybody, here is my dried results of my tile. It's gorgeous. Look at those colors. I love it. The purples and the blues. And a little bit of white showing through. That's okay. I don't mind. Beautiful. That'll look nice varnished or resined. Okay, there you go. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.